myself, Shashwat Bingaria. I have done my transplant and I want to share my experience with you. When I was 26-year-old, my hairline was gone deep, and one of my friends has suggested me that you should try hair transplantation. At that time, I have researched a bit about hair transplantation, and then I have visited Shamusa Hair Care. I have suggested many doctors, but I have got best reference and service here. When I visited Shamusa Hair Care, Dr. Chetan Savani gave me information about transplantation. Then after I have visited YouTube channel of Shamusa Hair Care, and then I decided to do my hair transplantation at Shamusa Hair Care. On the day of hair transplantation, I was worried about pain during the session, but doctors have treated me well, and I haven't got any pain during the session. My transplantation lasted for 6 hours. We took small breaks during the session. After 1.5 months, my all hairs fall down, and I was worried that it will regrowth or not. Doctor had told me that it was just shedding phase. Then your fallen hair will regrowth, and thickness of my hair was comparatively thin than others. But after transplantation done by Mr. Chetan Savani, I got my old hairline. Now you can see my hairline is completely natural. It's been 2 years, and now you can see my hair is as it was transplanted. I'm having the same experience from the first day to till date, and all the staff is well experienced and kind, polite. I would like to recommend all my friends, family members, and you also for having a great treatment here.